Okay, this is Slovak lesson number 1. Let's start with greetings. Ako hovoríme po slovensky greetings, pozdraví. First one is good morning. Dobré ráno. Dobré ráno. Then it's something like in English, good day. Dobrý deň. Dobrý deň. Okay, let's move on to evening. Good evening. Dobrý večer. Dobrý večer. And the last one, it's what the English say, good night. Dobrú noc. Dobrú noc. Okay, so that's for greetings. Maybe let's revise them again. Dobré ráno. Dobré ráno. Dobrý deň. Dobrý deň. Dobrý večer. Dobrý večer. Dobrú noc. Dobrú noc. Okay, so that's good morning, dobré ráno, good day, dobrý deň, good evening, dobrý večer, and good night, dobrú noc. Okay, so the second, what we studied today, subject pronouns. Ja, ty, on, ona, ono, my, vy, oni. Let's say that again. You can repeat with me. Ja, ty, on, ona, ono, my, vy, oni. However, these are not the only forms which appear in Slovak. So in next lessons we will learn also the other forms. Well, the point in Slovak, or the thing in Slovak, is also that each noun has different gender. Like window, a window is in Slovak okno. Okno. And that's it. Then we've got a man, in Slovak, muž. Muž. And that's he, of course. And then žena. Žena. And that's she. That wouldn't be so difficult. However, sometimes it might be difficult to learn the genders of nouns. So let's recap again. Okno, muž, žena. And again, okno, muž, žena. Okay? And now we've got adjectives, and adjectives change. Well, so for the window, okno, we have pretty window, pekné okno, pekné okno, pekné okno. Then, for a pretty woman in Slovak, pekná žena, pekná žena, pekná žena. And for the man, pekný muž, pekný muž. However, it's nonsense because you can't have something like this in English. So it's however, in Slovak you might hear pekný muž. To je pekný muž. Okay, and that's it for Slovak lesson number 1.